What's going on, guys? Welcome back to G's Quick Tips. Today, we're gonna talk about drones. Let's do it. So just like every basic YouTuber, I use drones to get cool shots in the shop. Not necessarily, I mean, around landscape is cool, but mainly it's for in the shop and getting things that I can't get with this GoPro. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do that, and then we'll cut to some sweet drone footage of me doing random shop things. All right, let's do it. So I have a DJI Mavic Mini. Right, there he is. All handy, and there's my phone right there. Right, requires compass calibration, that sort of thing. I can fly with caution, all that kind of stuff. So, let me see if I can do this one-handed. I haven't done this one-handed in I'm just gonna press the takeoff button here. All right, and there it goes. So we can go up, down, right, fancy little drone. So what I do is I put the drone in particular positions to do work. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to the table saw over here. I'm going to turn my drone around so I can get the perfect angle on the table saw. And there we are. I don't know how good that video was. I think the things are in the way, but there's the drone hitting the table saw. Now I could stand back here and film myself on my GoPro with the table saw. The issue is the drone just has a much clearer shot than the GoPro does. So the drone gives me more of an action type shot than this GoPro was, because this GoPro is such a wide angle lens. All right, so that's how I get in position. I'm going to set up a couple drone shots, and I hope you guys enjoy the footage. We'll see you guys in the next video.